The graph shows the curve x cubed minus 2y cubed is equal to 3x. Find the gradient of the curve x cubed minus 2y cubed is equal to 3x at the point 2, 1. Find the coordinates of the stationary points on the curve. So we've got x cubed minus 2y cubed is equal to 3x. So we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we're doing implicit differentiation here. So d dx of x cubed minus d dx of 2y cubed is equal to d dx of 3x. That gives me 3x squared minus 6y squared, and then we have to put in a dy by dx, is equal to 3, the differential 3x. So 3x squared minus 3 is equal to 6y squared dy by dx. We're taking that there and this over here, and therefore dy by dx will be 3x squared minus 1 over 6y squared. Obviously the 6 and the 3 will cancel, and we're just going to end up with x squared minus 1 over 2y squared. We now need to find the gradient at the point 2, 1, so we can put x is 2 and y is 1 into this. So at the point 2, 1, we're going to have dy by dx is 2 squared minus 1 over 2 times 1 squared. So that gives me 4 minus 1, which is 3, and then 2 times 1 squared, which is 2. So the gradient will be 3 over 2. That's going to be somewhere over here. Okay, for stationary points, dy by dx is equal to 0. So we're going to have x squared minus 1 over 2y squared is equal to 0. So, but 2y squared cannot be equal to 0, which means that x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the difference of 2 squares, so that factorizes to x plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So that gives x is minus 1, or x is equal to 1. Okay, when x is equal to minus 1, the function, here's the function, put it in the original function, we're going to get minus 1 cubed minus 2y cubed is equal to 3 times minus 1. So that gives minus 2y cubed is equal to minus 3. When you cube minus 1, you get minus 1. And when you take it to the other side, you have to add it. So we're going to have minus 3 plus 1. So you're going to have 2y cubed is equal to minus 2. Y cubed is equal to 1. So y will be equal to 1. Taking the cube root of 1. When x is equal to 1, we're going to have that 1 cubed is equal to, 1 cubed minus 2y cubed is equal to 3. So we're going to have minus 2y cubed is equal to 3 minus 1. So that's going to give minus 2y cubed is equal to 2, and therefore y cubed is equal to minus 1, and the cube root of minus 1 is minus 1. So the stationary points are minus 1, 1 and 1, minus 1. Here's the original graph. There's the one stationary point there at minus 1, 1, and the other stationary point at 1, minus 1. So this has been a video to show you how to differentiate a implicit curve and find its stationary points. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.